Hello everyone, this is Ajisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will see a topic called Managerial Skills and Roles of Manager. On completion, students will be able to explain the types of managers, understand the roles of managers and explain the managerial skills. Types of managers. You might have watched the previous video. That video gave us an idea about the levels of management. In a similar way, let us see the types of managers. First, top-level managers are those who represent the highest level of executive management. Top-level managers often have the word chief in their job titles, such as Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, and so on. These managers help sustain the company's growth and execute plans over the long term. Middle managers usually report to the top-level managers, yet they still have a lot of autonomy to make decisions within their area or department of the company. These managers often have job titles that include the word director. They may also be department heads. Lower-level managerial role represents an entry-level position for management professionals. First-line managers work directly with non-management employees and project team members. Their overarching role is to supervise employee productivity and hold employees accountable for achieving company goals. Also in the basis of the area of their job, there is also generalist manager, functional manager and staff manager. Now shall we take a look at the roles of a manager? Henry Mintzberg identified 10 different roles, separated into 3 categories. The categories he defined are interpersonal roles, informational roles, decisional roles. First, interpersonal roles involve people and other ceremonial duties. It can be further classified as follows. Figurehead, the symbolic head of the organization. Leader, responsible for staffing, training, and associated duties. Liaison, maintains the communication between all contacts and informers that compose the organizational network. Second, informational roles related to collecting, receiving, and disseminating information. Further, it is classified as monitor, personally seek and receive information to be able to understand the organization. Disseminator, transmits all important information received from outsiders to the members of the organization. Spokesperson, on the contrary to the above role, here the manager transmits the organization's plans, policies and actions to outsiders. Third, decisional roles, roles that revolve around making choices. Entrepreneur, seeks opportunities. Basically, they search for change, respond to it, and exploit it. Disturbance handler, responsible for corrective action when the organization faces disturbances. Resource allocator, makes or approves all significant decisions related to the allocation of resources. Negotiator, represents the organization at major negotiations. Now that the roles of managers are made clear, let us see the skills of managers. First is technical skills. Technical skill is an imperative skill for managers at the lower level of management. These people who guide and supervise work of operators under their subordination. For example, production manager must know the type of raw materials to be used, the proportion of production process, etc. Second is human skills, the ability to tactfully deal with human beings and mold their behavior at work in the desired manner to help attain the common objectives of the enterprises most effectively and efficiently. It requires an understanding of human behavior and it is necessary for motivating people. Next is conceptual skills. It is concerned with concepts or ideas. Conceptual means ability to view the enterprise as whole in totality. To analyze the implications of relevant external environmental factors, economic, social, political, technological, etc. for the successful functioning of the enterprise. Next we will see some of the characteristics of quality managers. Manager is a person who has the ability or strength to coordinate, motivate and guide all the personnel working under him, so as to make sure they attain the organizational goal in the most efficient manner possible. These are some of the good qualities of a manager. Technical knowledge, personality, communication skills, honesty, positive thinking, control management, motivation, guide, leadership qualities, coordinate, decision making, that is, planning, forecasting, innovative, good analysis and lastly, risk-taking. Now to wrap it up, let's see the difference between entrepreneur and manager. Entrepreneur is an owner, but manager is an employee. Entrepreneur is a risk taker, whereas manager is risk averse towards the problem. Entrepreneur is a driving force for creativity and innovation, while manager is an executor. Hope this video fulfills the student outcomes and benefits you. Thank you.